Dear country leaders, today your governments are purchasing test systems, artificial lungs ventilation machines, urge citizens to self-isolation and introduce strict quarantine. These are necessary but insufficient measures to control the spread of coronavirus. What will happen after the end of quarantine? The chances are high that the epidemic will start again. You may find yourself in a situation where you need to declare global quarantine again and again. Quarantine is not a solution to the problem, but just a delay. What is the solution? I ask you to draw your attention to passive immunization. In the blood of people who have recovered, there are antibodies to the virus. The blood plasma of recovered people or serum made from their blood is a medicine. If these medicines are administered to patients, this will facilitate the course of the disease and reduce the number of deaths. Passive immunization works 3-4 weeks, but this is a way to reduce mortality and take the epidemic under control. It is also a way to end a panic. Doctors know this method well. It has been known since the end of the 19th century. Despite this, politicians can underestimate its importance. I urge you to understand that today is a top priority. In China, this method against coronavirus has been successfully used. Passive immunization is especially important if the virus mutates. Countries such as Russia, Ukraine and Kazakhstan, which are only a little involved in the epidemic, should first of all be concerned with the purchase of plasma and serum made from the blood of people who have recovered from coronavirus and the purchase of effective test systems. If all patients get passive immunization, the country's epidemic may not start at all. People who have received active immunization should be registered. Today in the world there are more than 100,000 recovered people and more than 275,000 sick people. This means that every recovered person can save 3 patients. People with active immunization might not follow the quarantine rules because they are not in danger. They must be allowed to travel the world and work just as they did before the epidemic. Quarantine and passive immunization of patients is the real solution to the problem. I really hope that this opinion will be taken into account when you will make important decisions. Thank you.